There's
for all
two
the
names.
classes. So here's your folder, and here's this, here's your tea, and here is your this last one that she said about the kitchen from Gina about this setting up for your thing. So there you go.
Did you come all week?
Yes, Wednesday was the only day I couldn't.
Motto and Amita. For your home, you just have to take it, you'll just have to, for the plane and all of that, you'll have to tape it up because the spices are in there, right? That's for you guys. And here's your sheet for the setting up and organizing the kitchen. Mary Sue. It's graduation. And let's see, who else do I have with me? Ingrid. Here.
Thought about that before I baptized it.
Thank Graduated. Here's my stuff on the tree. It's already loaded. And shy. Let's see who else would be Ramesh Ambika. Good. Perfect. Ron and Jackie. All right, Jackie's still. Personal paper. Okay, Niata. You do have a home. I think I forgot a couple of people with Gina's sheets. Whom did I not give the sheets to? Amina, Jackie, Gilmore. Thank you. All right, is there anyone else who has homes that were here for everything? I think Chitpala, but I can give you yours when you get ready to go back overseas, not right now.
Maybe you could just hold the whole thing up and see if you can.
Okay.
Just a sec.
Trying to balance it. Leonta, let me give you the one for Sandy. Okay. And Gopi, let me give you yours, and your binder is coming. You have all the sheets. And then I think everybody else is either ashram resident, and I do have more, Dave, for you and Cheryl, one for you and Cheryl, and I think ashram staff and residents will enjoy the rest of it as we come. Anybody else wants tea, who would be making chai, who has access to stoves? Jayashree?
What a funny question.
What? Well, it's who has it, like